Welcome to Vital Longevity. Did you know that turkey tail mushrooms offer incredible benefits for your body? These unique fungi don't just add beauty to nature. They can boost your immune system, improve gut health, support cognitive function, and even help with exercise performance. Let's explore the amazing ways turkey tail mushrooms can transform your health. Turkey tail mushrooms, scientifically known as Trametes versicolor, get their name from their beautiful, colorful appearance resembling a turkey's tail. But beyond their looks, these mushrooms have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Today, modern research is revealing the true extent of their health benefits. One of the most powerful benefits of turkey tail mushrooms is their ability to boost the immune system. They stimulate the production of white blood cells, your body's natural defenders against infections. Thanks to compounds like PSK and PSP, turkey tail mushrooms enhance immune function, helping you stay strong and healthy. Another major benefit is cancer support. Research suggests that turkey tail mushrooms may help slow the growth of cancer cells and improve the body's response to cancer treatments like chemotherapy. In Japan, PSK from turkey tail has been used as an adjunct therapy for cancer patients for years, showing promising results in improving survival rates. Good gut health is key to overall wellness, and turkey tail mushrooms play a role here too. They act as prebiotics, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. This helps improve gut health and supports better digestion, immunity, and even mental well-being. Chronic inflammation can lead to many health problems, but turkey tail mushrooms have anti-inflammatory effects that help fight this. Reducing inflammation is important for managing conditions like arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and autoimmune disorders. Add turkey tail to your diet for natural inflammation relief. Enjoying these tips? Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more natural health advice. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? Moving on, if you've ever used turkey tail mushrooms, let us know in the comments below. If you're looking to boost your workouts, turkey tail mushrooms can help. They've been shown to increase exercise performance by improving stamina and reducing fatigue. Whether you're training for a marathon or just trying to stay active, turkey tail can give you that extra edge. Another fantastic benefit of turkey tail mushrooms is their ability to improve cognitive function. They support brain health and may help boost memory and focus. This makes them a great addition to your daily routine, especially if you're looking to support long-term brain health. From boosting your immune system to improving your cognitive function, turkey tail mushrooms are a natural powerhouse for your health. Have you ever tried turkey tail mushrooms? Let us know how you use them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.